Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math. Today we're doing our Module 3 workbook, Lesson 6, page 18. I have my counting stick, and with the linking cubes, I made it into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. That's a 6 stick, and we're going to measure something next to the 6 stick. Here's my paper clip. Is my 6 stick longer or shorter than the paper clip? What can you say? I hope you said that the 6 stick is longer than the paper clip. Let's try something else. My marker. Is my 6 stick longer or shorter than my marker? Yeah, you're right. Good job. This time, my 6 stick is shorter than my marker. Just like in your paper with problem set 6, lesson 6, the pencil is next to this 6 stick, 5 and one more, and it says write the number of linking cubes that are just for the stick. So we can write that together. 6. Draw a green circle around the stick if it's longer than the pencil. Is the 6 stick longer than the pencil? No, so we're going to use blue. It says to draw a blue circle if it's shorter. So we're going to circle the pencil with your blue crayon now because it is shorter than the pencil. The 6 stick is shorter. Okay, so down here, let's count up this counting stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can count them on your own. I got 9. A loop and a line makes the number 9. There we go. And is the object, which is the notebook, is it longer than the 9 stick or shorter? I circled the wrong thing up top, boys and girls. All right, so the blue, we should have circled the blue stick, blue around the counting stick, and then we're going to circle the 9 stick in green because it is longer. Whew, that was a lot of directions. Very confusing. Good job if you're able to stay with me for that, boys and girls. We're comparing the lengths using various different objects around our house. So take your 6 stick, or if you make it into, I'm going to count on from 6, everybody. 6, 7, 8. So my 8 stick, I'm going to look for some things that I have to measure around and compare. I found an eraser, and my 8 is longer than my eraser. Then I might walk around and find something else. My box of crayons, let's see. Oh, that is also shorter than my 8 stick. But I can line it up, and now it is the same as my which one? The 5 stick, right. So we're doing a lot of comparing with our counting cube, Unifix cube sticks, or linking cube sticks. So make a 3 stick, which is what Mrs. Osmer just did, in your classroom. So at your house, select a crayon and see if your crayon is longer. So I'm picking my pink crayon. Is it longer or shorter than my 3 stick? What did you find out? Take out your 3 linking cubes and a crayon now. It says trace your 3 stick and your crayon to compare. So I'm going to trace around my 3 cubes. Hard to see. And then I'm going, should have used a pencil. That would have made sense. And take the pencil to trace around your crayon. This is pink. These are the cubes. And the crayon was pink. So, what can you say? The pink crayon is longer than my 3 stick. Find a marker and make a stick that is longer than your marker. So I'm going to make a stick with here's my marker. I'm going to use my brown marker. I have 5 so far. Let's count on. 6. That's the same, but it needs to be longer. One more after 6 is 7. And I think it's telling us to trace it again. So first I'm going to trace all the way around with the cubes. And then I'll trace the marker. Okay. Here's my brown marker and my 7 stick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I made, and hopefully you did too with your Lincoln cubes, a 7 stick longer than the brown marker. So we solved that. We measured and compared. Good work. The last one, get a 5 stick with your Lincoln cubes. Should be 5 of the same color. I have 5 blue. You might have a different color. Find something in your home. It says classroom, but just go with your home that is longer than this. So find something. It can be a toy. It could be a book. Find something else. Mrs. Osmer is looking. I thought I had a fun toy to measure. I'll give you a minute. Pause the video. Found one of Brooke's tractors. So I wanted to find something that is longer than my 5 stick. I can't really trace this object. I should have picked something I could have traced, but you can see how it's longer than my 5 stick, right? So I'm going to trace this first. Sorry, the tractor made so much noise. And now I have my 5 stick, and I'm going to just draw this big tractor. Has a seat on it and some buttons. So my 5 stick is longer than my, oops, sorry, you can't see it, my tractor at the bottom. And you can do the same for that activity. All right, boys and girls, good work, and I will see you soon.